Minui may be small, but his personality is certainly big. Minui is sassy, curious, affectionate, and gentle. He is also very intelligent because he understands certain words, commands, and knows a few tricks.
Minui, lie down. My name is Catherine Rossi, and this is Minui. Minui is a 5-year-old Netherland dwarf rabbit.
Netherland dwarf rabbits are considered one of the smallest rabbit breeds. Minui weighs approximately 2.5 pounds. My family always wanted a pet Netherland dwarf rabbit. In 2017, we drove 4 hours to an animal shelter in a small town in northern Ontario, Canada called Hamner. Minui was only 8 weeks old when we adopted him. He was the only Netherland dwarf rabbit at the shelter. It was love at first sight. Luckily, Minui has been fully house-trained since he was a baby, so we allow him to roam free in our home in the day. Minui is an extremely social rabbit, so his favorite thing to do is to hang out with all of us on the sofa to be cuddled, be given head rubs, or just to chill out in cozy blankets between one of us. Because Minui has brought so much love, joy, and laughter to our family, we felt compelled to also share Minui with the rest of the world in hopes he too can bring the same love, joy, and laughter to others, especially to those in need of positivity in their lives. The positive and rewarding things about being a pet owner is that pets can help de-stress us. They help manage loneliness and depression by giving us companionship. Pets also provide social and emotional connections, which can positively affect our mood and overall mental health. Before adopting or rescuing a pet, it is very important to do your research. Rabbits can live up to 10 years or more, so adopting a rabbit is a long-term commitment. It is important to first assess whether you can truly provide a good forever home to a pet rabbit. Furthermore, rabbits are not low-maintenance pets, and therefore adopting a rabbit should be a family decision. However, when one is fully educated and aware of proper rabbit care, the benefits of owning a pet rabbit is truly rewarding.